How does the AGA market maker make money? It may sound complex, but the logic is simple. Just like many real-world businesses you already know. Earn from price differences. Imagine you buy drinks for $2 and sell for $3, earning $1 each. AGA's AA does the same. If gold buyers bid $2,400 and sellers ask $2,401, the system buys at $2,400, sells at $2,401, earning $1 per trade. Thousands of small trades daily equals steady profit. Like a supermarket, small margins, big volume, daily cash flow. Earned from volatility. While others fear price swings, market makers love them. Volatility equals opportunity. If gold rises from $2,400, gives $2,410. AGA buys low, sells high, earns $10. If it drops, AI reverses or hedges, still profits. Like taxi drivers earning more on rainy days. The more the market moves, the more AGA earns. Just like an exchange dealer profiting from every trade. Earn from platform rewards. AGA provides liquidity to exchanges and brokers, making trading smoother and more active. The more volume it generates, the more rewards and rebates it receives. Like helping a friend shop, the more you sell, the higher your commission. Earn from time and efficiency. The AI never sleeps trading gold, Bitcoin, and index is 247. It executes in milliseconds, compounding results non-stop. Think of it as an automated store. Machines trade, profit and record revenue while you rest. Earn from risk control. The smartest traders aren't those who earn the most, but those who lose the least. AGA's AI automatically reduces exposure when volatility spikes. Hedging to protect profits. Like a restaurant buying fewer supplies during a storm, avoiding risk. Waiting for clear skies. Summary: AGA earns through three main engines. 1. Price spreads. 2. Market volatility. 3. Platform rewards. Plus AI automation and risk control. It doesn't gamble or rely on luck, it profits from systems, algorithms, and compounding. When others fear market waves, AGA rides them. When others wait, its AI is already earning. This is the true power of AGA. Market maker, turning every market fluctuation into profit.